Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. Today, I'm gonna show you how to add references in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to make sure that you already opened your Microsoft Word. Let's try to use a sample sentence or phrase. So how do we add references in this statement? So the first thing you need to select is the References tab, which is beside the layout. After that one, this is how it looks like. Now for you to add a reference on this statement right here or sentence, all you have to click is Insert Citation. And after that one, select Add New Source. So on this part, you need to fill up the information that you can see. So the first one is type of source. It's either book section, journal article, etc. So let's just try to use the book. And then for the author, we can try to create a sample here. Title of the book, hello. And then for the year as well, and then city. After that one, after filling up the information right here, all you have to select is OK. And there, that's how it looks like after inserting reference in a statement or sentence you copied. And there, that's how you insert a reference in Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.